In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Systeme.io and set up a custom domain name inside of the system. So let's get started. Once you're logged in, you will need to go over to settings where your profile image is. So click on the settings, and then on the left-hand side, you will see that you have courses, emails, and custom domains. So you'll click here, and then on the right-hand side, you're going to have add domain. I have one that I'm not using at the moment, so I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you don't have your domain right now, you can use a system such as Namecheap and just register one. It's super easy. And then if you use extension Honey, you even get a discount. So the one that I want to use is TrackPoint, but you'll just need to type in 3 W's and then click on Save. And this is going to bring this for you. So what you need to do is go over to domains, wherever you purchased it. So in my case is this one. You want to make sure that it's basic DNS that they have in place. So you cannot use custom DNS here. And then the next step is going to be to go over to advanced DNS, click on this, and then you're going to get these records. What I do recommend is you actually delete these that they have, and instead you'll start adding in these details as I share with you next. So the first thing that you want to do is click on add new record. You are going to select the CNAME record. You are going to type in 3 W's right here. Then you're going to go over to target. And then from this, you want to copy this section right here. And then you go back to your domain, click here, and click on Save Changes. So now you have the first record added. Let's move on to the next. So the second one, you want to go to add a new record again, select the CNAME record like this. You go back to this, and then you copy everything until the dot right here. So all of this you copy, you paste it in here, and then for the target, you want to go back to this, and then all of this that you have, copy and click on Save Changes by clicking on this arrow. Okay, so this is how it's supposed to look like. Now that you have done that, you want to exit from this. You don't need it anymore, so it's going to say pending validation. We're going to refresh this page just to see if it's showing as active, but currently it's not. It can take up to 48 hours to validate. Now, the good thing is you don't have to wait to see if you've done everything correctly. You can go over to this app. It's called DNS Checker. And you just type in www.your URL, click on CNAME, and click search. And then if all of these are checking as yes and they're green, you are all good to go. If for any reason something changes with Systeme.io and this is not working, because right now it is, but if it's not working, then you want to contact their support. But obviously this is what's working right now at the moment when I'm creating this video. Stay tuned for more videos on Systeme.io.